Good morning and welcome to SSIT's Daily News Trends. First, we have UNICEF SA calling for more campaigns on COVID-19 vaccines aimed at the youth. The United Nations Children's Fund South Africa has called for more campaigns to encourage young people to get the COVID-19 vaccine. In a report, the United Nations Children's Fund says 55% of young people have expressed their willingness to take the jab. At least 37% of the youth believe that television and radio are the most trusted sources of accurate information on vaccines. Currently, the government is vaccinating people aged 18 years and older. UNICEF representative in South Africa, Christian Muhigana, says social media is important for communicating the importance of getting the jab to young people. The national state of disaster extended to 15 October 2021. Cabinet has decided to extend the national state of disaster until 15 October. This is in the terms of the Disaster Management Act of 2002. South Africa remains on alert level 3 of the lockdown. However, there have been calls from the Western Cape and others to relax the lockdown measures as the country emerges from the third wave of the lockdown driven by the Delta variant. South Africa recorded 480 new COVID-19 related deaths on Thursday. The National Institute for Communicable Diseases says 418 more people have succumbed to COVID-19 related complications in the latest 24-hour reporting period, taking the overall death toll to 82,914. The NICD says 9,203 people have tested positive for the coronavirus in the period. The increase represents a 16.1% positivity rate. The majority of new cases today are from KwaZulu-Natal, which is 29%, followed by Western Cape 20%, Eastern Cape accounted for 18%, noted the NICD in their latest report. And COSATU is against vaccine ID systems for control of access to buildings in South Africa. The Congress of South Africa Trade Unions, COSATU, has come out against the suggestion that a vaccine ID system may be introduced in the country to control access to public buildings and private establishments. Health Minister Joe Phaahla has said he is quite certain that a vaccine passport system can be legally introduced in the country once enough vaccine coverage has been achieved. Sri Lanka beat South Africa by 14 runs in first ODI. Spinner Akila Dhanajaya took 2 key wickets as Sri Lanka beat South Africa by 14 runs in the first 3 one-day internationals on Thursday. The hosts scored 309 from their 50 overs, with opening batsman Aviska Fernando hitting 118 of 115 balls in Colombo. South Africa fell short on 286-6 despite opener Aiden Markham's 96 of 90 balls on a run at ball 59 by Rassie van Dusen. The second ODI is on Saturday, with all the matches, including 3 2020 games, to be played behind closed doors at the same venue. That's it for your daily trends today. Thank you for choosing SSIT.